Welcome back, Queens and Kings, and thank you guys so much for watching. So today we have another gorgeous, beautiful, but elegant Mother Day DIY. This DIY could be made for anyone special that you consider as a mom or who is a mom. If you all would like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch. Alright, Queens and Kings, so here are all the materials I will be using. I am using this brooch that I think I purchased from Amazon. I had this for my wedding, as well as this M and this M, as well as my Mr. and Mrs. sign. And I'm going to use a paintbrush. Just using a little thin, little fine paintbrush, nothing too big. As well as Dollar Tree adhesive glue here. This fix all adhesive glue. You can use any type of adhesive glue that you like. As well as some glitter. I'm using gold. And some Mod Podge here. And that came from Dollar Tree or Walmart. And I'm also using this Dollar Tree little fish bowl that I have already glittered out. A bag of sand that got from Dollar Tree, as well as the Dollar Tree roses. You guys know I love yellow roses, and my hot glue gun, as well as some glue sticks, and these gorgeous little gems here, as well as a wire cutter. You guys know I'm always forgetting something. Okay, so now I'm just basically shining my fish bowl back up again, reapplying some Mod Podge and glitter method. Like I said, just to make it shine a little bit more, because it is dull and it's something that I already had before and used before. So I am reusing a lot of items here. But you can find these items at the Dollar Tree as well as Walmart. And the same thing I'm doing for the fish bowl, I am going to do the same thing for the M and the M. So put Mod Podge on and put some glitter and shake it off, as you guys see that I'm doing now. And reuse our glitter, so we're just going to pour that back into the container. You better say that glitter. Okay, I'm just showing you guys these little what you call them, little shish kebab sticks that I had on the back of it, because like I said, this was my Mr. and Mrs. sign for our wedding, and I used those little sticks or whatever to stick down in the styrofoam. So I'm just taking them out, breaking off with as much as I can as possible. Okay, Queens and Kings, so here I'm showing you guys, this is the finished look, but I want to show you guys this gloss clear Rust-Oleum spray paint that I'm going to use to I did use to basically seal the glitter so it won't have all that fallout or anything like that. Now you could have used Mod Podge or whatever, but this here gave it like a gloss, and I think that's basically what it was, a gloss you put on your spray paint or anything like that, whatever you spray paint. But anyways, I'm going to use this sand here, just fill it up, pour all of it in there as high as it can go or whatever. And then I'm going to use my little crystals that I showed you guys earlier and put on top of that. You know, just a little secret, just so you bring a little extra height to make it look like what it is, but it's not. So now here I'm taking my yellow roses, and basically I'm just going to cut them down to size and arrange them how I would want them. So what I do on one side, I'm going to do on the other, but on one, I'm going to put one directly in the middle. Okay, so here it is, but I did add a little more baby breath and some more smaller roses here that I'm showing you guys. I also purchased these from Dollar Tree. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys this little mirror that I did DIY for another project or whatever. So like I said, I'm reusing a lot of things that I had before. It's just 3 Dollar Tree mirrors and Dollar Tree popsicle sticks, and I just glued each mirror together using the popsicle sticks to actually support it. So now I'm just going to basically place my arrangement as well as my M&M on each side of the arrangement. So basically arrangement is the how cute and clever is that? And we're going to use this E6000 as well as hot glue. Now what I will be trying to show you guys later on in this video, which in probably next few clips, is basically you could glue this down on top of it, you know, which I'm going to show you guys an example of it, but in the end I'm really not. I'll just have it placed on there because I just changed my mind. But anyways, here where the M touching the bowl, I'm basically going to use my adhesive glue and some hot glue. And this is the clip that I'm showing you guys where it's touching the mirror. And I also put some adhesive there because I wanted like a permanent hole. But by this take up time, I did just change my mind afterwards. And I will show you guys that later as well. So basically this is how I look. If you guys liking it so far, give me a thumbs up. Share the video. You guys let me know. Now you know you can use whatever color you want, as in glitter, as in the roses or whatever. It's all up to you. It's your preference. This is just a great little gorgeous self-made Mother Day gift. That's all. Okay, so here it is. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love this, and I did glue the brooch on there off camera, and I just have it on there with some hot glue as well as the fix all adhesive. But I have it on top of the tray that I just did of another Mother Day gift DIY video. So if you haven't seen that, I will link that above. But here it is without the mirror. I want to show you guys that look as well. Like, I love the way that it turned out, and the baby breath actually broke up the yellow and the gold, what's going on that is competing against each other. But I love the way that it looks. So it's up to you. You can put it on the mirror or not on the mirror. It's still glamour and as beautiful, and I'm quite sure your mom, your grandmother, or whoever you desire to give it to will love it. But here it is back on the mirror, and I totally love how I look, and you guys know I love the mirror, so it's gonna stay on there. So but if you queens and kings enjoyed this beautiful Mother Day gift DIY, please give me a big thumbs up. Share the video, you guys, because we're almost at 20,000, which is our goal. Also comment down below. Once again, share, like, and subscribe to the castle, because we'd love for you to be a part of it. With that being said, I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. Bye bye.